I love you. I never hurt you. Of course I wouldn't miss over you.
You got me saying,
Remember you said all that? Intoxicated this right here. Now you was lying. It's over now though. And now you in there.
remember you said you wouldn't hurt me for real.
For real though.
Remember you told me that you'll always keep it real.
Remember that?
You said you were my lover, but I ain't dumb to see the lies you tryna cover up. Saying you're here and not there, this here ain't necessary. But your friends told me different. Even your mom and daddy said they saw you with another man. And I figured they were right, cause you ain't been the same ever since. I give you my happiness, but still you made me cry. You are the reason, you're the reason it's happening. That we are in it now. And there ain't no need to be stressing. Since you done broke this vow, it's time that you need to learn your lesson. And since you've been playing around, congratulations, you're my ex. And every time we talked on the phone, you didn't sound the same. Then it shot me cause you called me somebody else's name.
Wait, hold up. What? Who is what?
You better start the talking before I get the walking now. On second thought, don't worry about it, cause your friend and family told me all about it. That they saw you around with a man that didn't look like me. And it was clear and easy to see. I give you my happiness, I give you my smile. That was all I had. You are the reason, you're the reason it's happening. You told me that you love me, that I can trust in you. And now I see you need to be stressing. Since you done broke your promises, you need to learn your lesson. And since you've been playing around, congratulations, you're my ex. I ain't done by your long shot, but you gon' realize that I was all you got. When everybody told me everything you did, I couldn't believe it. And I tried to deny, but I can't, cause baby, I give you my hand. Still you made me cry. Still you made me cry. You are the reason, you're the reason it's happening. That it's over. There ain't no need to be stressing over you. You broke the vow. You said you never hurt me. You said you never messed with me, but you did it anyway. But congratulations, you're mine. It's over, yeah. You're my ex now. I bet you never thought that I'll find out you're doing it behind my back, doing this and that. But girl, guess what? That was whack, what you did, but it's the end. I ain't looking on my shoulder. Look back, just like that.